Gotta be louder than this. Ah!
Won't work, I'm telling you.
God damn it, shut up! The goddamn washing machine doesn't work anymore.
I don't give what I got out today. I done got rid of one.
Here we go, Mom. Mom, back the fuck up.
Motherfucker.
She's trying to get it to work.
Tell me stop.
Tornado emergency for Pittsburgh. The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a tornado warning for Central Kent County, northeastern Texas, extreme southeastern Titus County, northeastern Texas, southern Morris County, northeastern Texas, extreme southwestern Cass County, northeastern Texas, until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:38 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was located just east of Leesburg, or 7 miles west of Pittsburgh, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for Pittsburgh. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Hazard, deadly tornado. Source, trained weather spotters. Hazard, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Pittsburgh, Dangerfield, Hughes Springs, Casson and Dangerfield State Park. Repeating, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. Take cover now.
Trying to get it to work.
Tell me stop.
God!
What the fuck? You dirty bastard! The fuck you trying to do to me? You goddamn motherfucker to me! What are you all trying to do to me? God damn you!
Oh, it's all over the floor.
Damn you! The fuck?